Hello everyone, my name is Afrizal from Group 3 and now I will explain about subject-verb agreement and comparison, mastering the fundamentals of English grammar for effective communication. In 1, subject-verb agreement basic, understanding how subject and verb must match in number and person. Point 2, common agreement patterns, exploring the singular, plural, and special cases in agreement patterns. Point 3, comparison structure, learning the comparative and superlative forms for effective comparison. Point 4, practical application, applying this concept through example and exercises.
Hello everyone, to slide 3 and 4, we are going to learn about subject verb agreement. This means how the subject and the verb must match each other in sentences. Okay, A. Basic rules. Singular subject, use a singular verb. For example, the cat runs quickly, she writes beautifully. B. Plural subject, use a plural verb. For example, the cats run quickly, they write beautifully. C. Third person singular, he, she, it. Add s or s to the verb. For example, he walks to school, it works perfectly. It works perfectly. To slide 4, use a simple analogy. We can think of the subject and the verb like partners. If the subject is singular, the verb must also be singular. If subject is plural, the verb must also be plural. They have to match. Okay, there concludes the presentation for slide 3 and 4. We will continue with the next slides later with my friend. Thank you.
Rule focus, singular versus plural subject. Subject type, singular. Subject, the dog. Verb, barks. Example sentence, the dog barks loudly. Subject type, plural. Subject, the dogs bark. And example, the dogs bark loudly. Subject type, singular. Subject, she. Verb, writes. Example sentence is, she writes a letter every day. Subject type, plural. Subject, they. Verb, write. Example sentence, they write letters every day. Subject type, singular. Subject, my friend. Verb, plays. Example sentence, my friend plays the guitar. Subject type, plural. Subject, my friends. Verb, play. Example sentence, my friends play the guitar. Subject type, singular. Subject, student. Verb, studies. Example sentence, a student studies in the library. Subject type, plural. Subject, students. Verb, study. Example sentence, students study in the library. Role focus, third person singular. Subject, he. Base verb, play. Correct verb form is plays. Example sentence is, he plays football every weekend. Subject, she. Base verb, watch. Correct verb form is watches. Example sentence, she watches TV at night. Subject, it. Base verb is go. Correct verb form is goes. Example sentence is, it goes fast on the road. Subject, the teacher. Base verb, teach. Correct verb form is teaches. So example sentence is the teacher teach English. Subject a dog, best verb run, correct form is runs. Example sentence, a dog runs after the ball. And subject he, best verb play, correct verb form is plays. Example sentence, he plays football every weekend. Subject she, best verb watch, correct verb form watches. Example sentence is she watches TV at night.
Special cases in agreement. Compound subjects. John and Mary are coming. Either Tom or his friends are responsible. Neither the teacher nor the students were ready. Collective nouns. The team is winning as unit. The team are arguing as individuals. The team family has moved. Rule focus: indefinite pronouns and titles. 1. Indefinite pronouns treated as singular. Type singular. Pronouns everyone, everybody, someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, no one, nobody, each. Verb singular. Example sentence. Everyone loves pizza. Each student has a book. Type plural. Pronouns few, many, several, both. Verb plural. Example sentence. Many are invited to the party. Two both enjoy the trip. Type singular and plurals. Pronoun some, all, most, none. Verb depends on noun. Example, some of the apples are rotten, some of the juice is left. Rule focus: indefinite pronouns and titles. 2. Titles and collective nouns. Subject type title. Example, The Avengers. Verb is example sentence. The Avengers is my favorite movie. Subject type organization title. The United Nations. Verb has example sentence. The United Nations has many member states. Subject type academic subject. Example mathematics. Verb is example sentence. Mathematics is a challenging subject. Subject type collective noun. Example the team. Verb is example sentence. The team is winning the match.
Hi everyone, let me continue the presentation. Now we talk about comparison. Comparison is very important because we often need to show similarities and difference between people, things, or ideas. For example, when we talk about your friends, food, or even movies, we usually compare them. There are three main types of comparison: equality, comparative, and superlative. Let's discuss them one by one. 1. Equality. We use as plus adjective plus as to show that two things are the same in some way. For example, this laptop is as expensive as that one. 2. Comparative. We add or more plus adjective to compare two things. For example, today is hotter than yesterday. For longer adjective, we add more like more beautiful, more expensive. For example, this book is more interesting than that one. 3. Superlative. We use osmos plus adjective to show the highest degree among three or multi. For example, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Now, let's look at some example of adjective in comparative and superlative form: tall, taller, tallest. Example is the tallest student. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Example, this is more beautiful. Good, better, best. Example, this is the best option. Bad, worse. Example, this is worse than before. So, to summarize, we use equality to show similarity, comparative to compare two things, and superlative to show the high level among many. That's all about cooperation. Thank you for listening. Next slide will be explained by my friend. Thank you.
Rural focus indefinite pronouns and titles. Number 1. Indefinite pronouns. Type singular. Example, everyone, everybody, someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, no one, nobody, it's. Verb singular. Example sentence, everyone loves pizza. Each student is invited to their party. Type plural. Example, money, few, server, both. Verb plural. Example sentence, both enjoy sharing their efforts or routine. Type singular or plural. Example, some or most nouns. Verb depends on nouns. Example sentence, some of the Jews eat love. Number 2. Titles and collective nouns. Type title singular. Example, the Avengers. Verb is. Example sentence, the Avengers is my favorite movie. Type organizing cells. Example, the unit natures. Verb has. Example sentence, the United Nation has many member states. Type academic subject. Example, mathematics. Verb is. Example sentence, mathematics is a challenging subject. Type collective singular. Example, the team. Verb is. Example sentence, the team is winning the match. Type collective plural. Example, the team. Verb are. Example sentence, the team are arguing among the same verbs. Common mistakes to avoid. Double negative. Wrong, I don't have no money. Correct, I don't have any money. Wrong verb from. Wrong, she does like pizza. Correct, she does like pizza. Incorrect comparison. Wrong, this is more better. Correct, this is better. Key keywords. Remember the basis, subject and verbs must agree in number and present for keen communication. Partive package perfect. Regular partive with these rules will improve your English fluency significantly. Able in speaking, use these complex in daily communication to build confidence and accuracy.